sun-kissed meadows where wildflowers sway mirror the passion that blossoms each day. Our love, like the seasons forever intertwined, changing and growing, a dance undefined from summer's warmth to autumn's embrace. We find solace in nature's sweet grace. Mountains stand tall, peaks touching the sky as our love reaches heights never up. Rivers flow freely, carving paths through the land just like a heart. Like the seasons forever entwined, changing and growing, dance undefined from summer's warmth to autumn embrace. We find solace in nature's sweet grace. Beneath the moon's glow, we share secrets untold like ancient forests. Our love stories unfold, stars above witness our celestial bond as constellations map out where we belong. Our love, like the seasons forever entwined, changing and growing, a dance undefined from summer's warmth to autumn embrace. We find solace in nature's sweet grace. Like the seasons forever entwined, changing and growing, a dance undefined from summer's warmth to autumn's embrace. We find solace in nature's sweet grace. Like the seasons forever